Right, we're being told that BJP's Nirmala Sitharaman is addressing a press conference.
Such mistakes. He may have mentioned one, but many such mistakes have been taken as decisions by the UPA. The BJP has periodically been cautioning the government about such steps. Well, they've not answered, or they thought the opposition is only obstructing them, but they were ill-advised on many of the steps that they took.
ये बात कही जा रही है कि भोपाल से और गांधीनगर दोनों जगह चुनाव लड़ सकते हैं अडवाणी, क्या सच है?
इसमें बहुत मैंने बोल दिया, अब इससे ज़्यादा बोलने का कुछ और नहीं है। थैंक यू।
विजय सिंह और आनंद शर्मा एक कंटेस्ट फ्रॉम वाराणसी अगेंस्ट नरेंद्र मोदी।
Well, once Shri Narendra Modi was named by the Congress and charged by the Congress that he will remain limited to Gujarat. वो सीमित रहेंगे गुजरात तक ही, ऐसे आरोप लगाने वाले कांग्रेस आज ढूंढ रहे हैं कि किनको नरेंद्र मोदी जी के सामने फील्ड करना है, और उनका नेतागण ऑलरेडी भाग चुके हैं उनके अपने अपने क्षेत्र से। इसीलिए कांग्रेस जो तय करे हैं वो उनके अपने मर्जी। ये भी कहानी बाहर आ रही है कि कांग्रेस और समाजवादी और ऐसे करके 10 पार्टी मिला कर एक ही कैंडिडेट को खड़े रखेंगे। इससे ही उनका बौखलाहट समझ में आ रही है। इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी। वो उनके डेमोक्रेटिक राइट बनता है किनको पेश करें। I wonder how every time we have only explanations coming for failure of timely and proper action from the government. It could be the CBI, which is excessively misused when they have to attack political opponents. But when there are economic crimes on which action should have been equally taken, you only have explanations coming from ministers saying they have been inadequately informed or they didn't have enough facts. Whose failure is it anyway? The government has been pussyfooting from taking action at times when they should have really taken firm action. Not only that they didn't take action, but later they give us explanations which don't add up. Sorry, you're a journalist? Legally, it is not objected. Legally, it's not objected at all. Hasn't Mrs. Indira Gandhi contested from Chikmagalur? Hasn't Mrs. Indira Gandhi contested from Medak? Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji had contested from more than one constituency. When there are leaders who are welcomed by people from various different parts, they will definitely contest from more than one seat. What is the wrong? उसका मैं जवाब दे चुकी हूँ। आप नाराजगी ढूंढने के लिए टाइम क्यों वेस्ट कर रही हो? इधर किसी का नाराजगी नहीं है। आप चाहिए तो कुछ और अच्छा खबर ढूंढ ले कांग्रेस की जगह, जहां कोई टिकट भी लेने को तैयार नहीं है। वो इम्पोर्टेंट है। I will give you my official.
BJP spokesperson Nirmala Sitharaman denying reports of a rift within the BJP, despite the fact that a slew of leaders, including BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi, have been trying to appease LK Advani, asking him to contest from Gandhinagar.